What is up, builders? It's time to build some new stuff. All right, what we're going to be doing today is stripping down this old PC into a new PC case, and we're going to be prepping it for a NAS build. So network attached storage build, which eventually will scale up to, I think I could fit at least 16 drives in there. I've seen others be able to squeeze in 19 or even 20. I'm not going to go to that ridiculous extent, but I think 16 will definitely meet my needs. So, as for those of you who don't know me or don't know my channel, my spouse runs a content creation business that's much bigger than my small outfit of doing things that are really fun for me, and making a few dollars here and there. But although mine is small, it will be mighty one day. I believe in me. If you think so, leave me a comment. If you don't think so, also leave me a comment. Feel free to like, subscribe. I'm trying to bring a lot more of this stuff to your guys, all your directions. So hang in there. All right, first thing we're gonna do first here is just remove the side panels, and I'll worry about the hard drives next time. I've only bought one of the 4 hard drives I'm planning to use. So there's not a thing right now. All the cables come off, even though the PCIe cables are interchangeable between Corsair. It's ugly, so we're gonna redo that. I'm gonna remove all the screws here. Lift up the guard. All right, now this annoying feature of PCIe cards. That one didn't even seat correctly. So that's fun. Ugh. Bit of a tight fit there. Next, we're just going to disconnect all of the USB 3s and the USB-C cables. And I do like that the NZXT has a unified front panel connector. You do want to remove the cooler. Not only do I want to redo thermal paste, it's oriented the wrong direction. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. I might actually just put this. Strange. Oh, it's because these are tapped screws. I was like, why are they so aggressive? They're not the best way to remove the front screw. Don't want these to crash down and get broken. Careful not to crush our PCIe components here. Hold on to a nubbin. No, no, no. Oh, this fan. Such a stupid design. Come on. Dusty a little bit. Can't say that I love that. Come on. Ah! What a bear. Take that off for a minute. Let's get this out of here. Now, I didn't recognize or know much about flow when I built this. But on your fans, it will usually show you a directional arrow. So this is pulling the air in through here. And it was also, the case was also pulling air in through the top fan. So I was getting like this much clearance for 2 fans to suck in air and cool one of the biggest of the 2 fans in the case to cool the entire case was fighting this fan for airflow to extract that air. And then this fan was fighting this fan up here, for clean airflow. So since it's a negative pressure case, so don't do that. Well, we did a decent application the first time, so good bully for us. I think there's gonna be tons of people who are like, man, you went way too hard at this. Go ahead, put those comments. I have to say, using an old board kind of makes you feel like a refurbisher, like that guy in Toy Story 2 that fixes Woody. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm talking about. The microphone's been in kind of the wrong spot the whole time. But before we put on the grease, paste, whatever you want to call it, fancy as you want to sound, make sure that this lines up with the holes properly. I think that they are equidistant, this cooler. They are not. Like a drum. So I recommend getting them started on the corners of each. Alright, we are done with hands down the most annoying part of this build. Took just an hour to do that. Bunch of cleaning. You weren't doing that. I think you could see how much faster you could do this. Next, we're going to apply the cooler. We want the cooler right here. It does interfere with that dim of RAM, but only because it's not on yet. So we're just going to pop off this dim. My NXT evils, but when you're building a computer, they can kind of get. All right. Woo! All right, those motherboard screws we replicated here. Best thing to grab this with. Oh, where's my ESD strap? Yep. Oh, no, that's open. Okay. Locked and loaded. I just like getting it started with screwdriver because it's magnetized too. Now for this build, I've gone with the HX1000i. It was both on sale, and I did want to move up from a gold to a platinum. 1.5% efficiency from platinum to titanium just wasn't really worth it to me for the massively increased cost. Now these ones, the double-ended side is the one that goes into the graphics card, so they're kind of annoying usually because they're super ugly, so I usually just buy custom cables. But I will not be able to see inside this case, so I don't care. Oh, shoot. This case is so big, I can't fit it on my desk. And then we can clean up our cable runs. Oh my gosh. that should wrap us up on this side. Never close up your case before you're done. That's just bad juju. Such fun. And come on. There we go. I think that's everything. All right, then it's just the rest of the drives. And you're done. Well, thank you all for joining me. I might make a video about what I did later, but wait for a different video on the SFF to know that this worked or not, or if I had to take additional steps, there'll be another video. Until next time, friends, good luck out there. Have some fun. Keep on building. Bye for now.